What's up, guys? In this video, we're gonna be building the Millennium Falcon. Let's go.
This is the JDC Show.
Hey guys, this is our first time meeting.
I'm Gianluca.
And I am Joseph. Today is May 4th, and in the spirit of Star Wars, we're going to be building the Millennium Falcon. Let's go!
In the box, there are 10 bags of Lego,
An instruction manual,
2 rods,
and a bag with extra pieces. Let's get building!
Guys, if you really want to see more Lego build videos like this one,
Then consider subscribing.
also,
Could you do us a small favor?
and share this video with your friends.
Thanks, it really helps a lot. Thanks for watching.
We really enjoyed building the Millennium Falcon.
As always,
Leave a like.
consider subscribing, and may the 4th be with you. We'll see you in the next video. Bye! Dab! 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 Dab!